you look very happy today.
Hi. Yes, I'm happy because I just came back from a trip.
Really? Where did you go?
I went to New Aurelia with my family.
That sounds nice. How many days did you stay there?
We stayed there for 3 days and 2 nights.
How did you travel there?
We traveled by car. The road was a little long, but the journey was enjoyable.
What did you see on the way?
We saw mountains, tea plantations, waterfalls, and small villages.
Wow. Where did you stay?
We stayed at a small hotel near Gregory Lake.
Was the hotel comfortable?
Yes, it was very clean and comfortable. The staff were friendly too.
What did you do during the trip?
We visited Gregory Lake, Hakgala Garden, and the tea factory.
Which place did you like the most?
I liked Gregory Lake the most because the weather was cold and relaxing.
Did you try any special food?
Yes, we tried hot vegetable soup and fresh strawberries.
That sounds delicious. Was the weather cold?
Yes, it was very cold, especially at night.
Did you take photos?
Yes, I took many photos of the scenery and with my family.
Did anything bad happen during the trip?
Not really, but there was heavy traffic on the way back.
Did you enjoy the trip overall?
Yes, I enjoyed it very much. It helped me relax and forget my stress.
Would you like to go there again?
Yes, I would love to go again, maybe with my friends next time.
That's great. Traveling really gives good memories.
Yes, I agree. Traveling makes life more enjoyable.